Okay, the script says if cleaning and organizing your home is on your to-do list for the new year, of course it is, but only for January, right? Just kidding. But you know, sometimes it's hard to figure out where to start, but today we've got you covered. Joining us now with 4 must-have items is home improvement and lifestyle expert and friend of the show, Kathryn Emery. Happy New Year, sweets. Good to see you.
Happy New Year. I mean, we're all cleaning and organizing, especially in the new year. We all want 2020 to be fresh and new, right? Let's get it done.
Absolutely. Okay, and you always have the best things. What should we start with?
Thank you. So I suggest that you get organized, and you should organize that garage, because if you organize your garage correctly, you can use it as another functional room in your house. So you're going to want to invest in a system that with multiple options you can personalize just for your family part. So I have with me today, this is the Rubbermaid Fast Track Rail Garage Storage System, and it's awesome. So you get started with their 7-piece set, and that's everything you need. You get these 2 support beams, and then you get a ladder utility, a cooler, a power tooler, and a scoop hook. So I put up a shovel, I put up beach chairs, tennis rackets. Here's the beautiful thing though, and see, aren't these pictures great? It just makes everything so organized. Here's the beautiful thing. You can keep adding to it based on what your specific needs are. So you can add, you can see there's shelves, there's bins, there's cabinets, there's racks, there's small and large hooks. You can put bikes up, sporting equipment, balls, gardening equipment. Just a great, great system that I found at Home Depot, and I love it. It makes everything so convenient in the garage.
Absolutely, and I think the garage is the place where we need to park our cars, right? Sometimes we just leave them out because we have too much stuff, or we keep rebuying things because we can't find it in the garage, and that rail system is perfect.
It's right there, right at your hand, right when you walk out, so it's perfect, or wherever you put it.
Absolutely. Okay, so let's talk about, you're always about the smart things in our home, and you have one now to help it keep it clean?
Yes. So I went out and I bought 4 different robotic vacuums and tested them all. And I wanted to tell your viewers about the one I love the most. This is the Shark IQ Robot Vac. There are so many amazing things, Courtney, that you'll love about it. Number one, it has a bagless self-emptying bin. So it gives you about 30 days where you don't have to think about changing the bag, emptying the container. You know, you have to pick them up and like shake them out. It methodically goes row by row and then navigates room by room. You can here's my B-roll here. This is my house. But then it navigates room by room. It lets you choose no-go zones. So for example, in here I've got a bunch of lights. I don't want it coming in here. When it gets full, it finds that dock and it empties whatever's in there, recharges and goes back out. And of course, you know I love the Smart Home Connect. See, it's cat friendly. As you can see, there's my cat walking around. But it's got Smart Home Connect, so you can schedule it for when you're away. You can have Alexa or Google Home get in the action. Hey, Alexa, start vacuuming. Just so many great, great features. Definitely highly recommend one. Makes it so easy to clean.
Okay, real quickly, I see in your B-roll too that you have some on carpet, some hardwood. This works on all surfaces?
All surfaces, yep. It actually can tell when it's changed surfaces and kind of and adjust the suction power.
Okay.
So it's awesome.
I love that. Self-cleaning stuff, gotta have it. Okay, you also recommend a product that can be reusable to help us save money.
Yes. So have you invested in microfiber yet?
You know what? I have not, girl.
Microfiber cloths? Oh, God, you have got to do this. This is the one thing you need to do, because unlike cotton cloths and paper towels, microfiber actually acts as a magnet, and it effectively removes dirt, dust, and debris. So I have here with me, these are the Quickie Job Site Heavy Duty Microfiber Cloths. Grabbed them at Home Depot. You can see I clean everything with them, Court. So glass, windows, cars, outside patio furniture, floors. They're super absorbent, so they're going to sop up water when you have a spill. And then the beautiful thing, like you said, throw them in the wash and use them over and over again. So a pack like this is going to last you quite a long time. It is the miracle fiber you need to invest in microfiber cloths.
Okay, and are we all going to look that beautiful cleaning our house? You look amazing cleaning everything, girl. I just have to say that. Okay, and also let's talk about antibacterial. You've got something to clean the floors.
Smoke and mirrors there, right? So anyway, yes, I do. So, okay, everybody needs to invest in a good antibacterial cleaner, because we are all aware of germs this year, right? So this is the Rejuvenate Antibacterial Floor Cleaner. You obviously want to start at your floors because where do all the germs come in? They come in on your shoes. You know, I don't even want to think about it. Gross. However, I have a secret. It says floor cleaner, but if it's an antibacterial cleaner, you can clean it. You can use it to clean everywhere. So clean all those common touch areas, light switches, doorknobs, remote controls, faucets, everywhere where people are touching a lot. Clean them about twice a week, and you're going to get rid of all those germs. I love it too because it has like a light orange scent. I'm not a big fan of the bleach smell, but just Rejuvenate, always coming out with solid products. But that's their antibacterial floor cleaner, and you can get it done.
Absolutely. Well, you always have solid products to tell us about, and your Instagram also for that robot. I love your testimonial on that as well. Kathryn Emery, it's always great to see you. Happy New Year.
You too, Sudie. Can't wait to see you again. Thank you for having me as always.
Absolutely. And for more information about these items that we talked about, you can visit our website.